Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host in Mbombela. Mbombela Stadium is where I'm at for the Petro Premiership clash between TS Galaxy versus Richards Bay. A game in which Richards concluded the score line of 1-0 in favor of Richards Bay, prevailing by that one another goal scored by Sanele Barnes in the first half, ensuring that the Natal Rich Boys walk away with maximum points. And I'm now joined by TS Galaxy Fanatics. Greetings, Dunayam. Aye, Dunayam. Aye, man.
Since I get
akuhlangani
ngeke phela sidloma game langaka phela ukukhumbula kuqala makusaqala isizini besathi uthi game umuntu maketa la uphuma khala bona nyalo ngathi sebayeta nje baphume bahleka hayi nyalo ilahlekile lena angathi mara njengoba nyalo lama game lalandzelako le yasandile vele it's a must win because after yona ngile final. So uma singadlwale vele soyale bafana banganamandla so ene nathi angesibe nemandla kuyale polokwana masolo sibona solo kuyadliwa elbow funa nje kube kuthi at least noma le ngabe balwile ukuthi kube idraw manje yabona ngendlela abadlala ngayo vele ukuthi vele bekumatini angathi phambili kuyashoda nje phambili kuyashoda nalamuva siya consider because phela ungazoconcede igame vele matches sizokuwina semancane so singaqinisa emuva phambili ngisho ukuthi igoli singalithola manje yalo la muva bashintsha namhla kudlala lo namhla kubuya vele uyeke asathi kumbuya wayekela ngoba nje ngeligama lakhe namhla kubuya lo spam wasenqana ngispam 20 so uyabona namhla i-center back ishintshile namhla kushintshe goalkeeper so i-center back kahle ufuna uyi-maintain kuze bakhona lokwatana ukuthi okay ngiyalo cover lo nalona goalkeeper khona commander i-back four yakhe so ishi ngimatima nduna kumatima
enduna yami ngicela kubuka le backline leli kukhalwa ngayo kangaka nduna yami le backline lenikhala ngayo lana against iKaizer Chiefs bekucala eMacbeth kwacala ngathi na Sanderson mangaphosisi nduna yami lapho nithi kule game yana namuhla nduna yami bekucala Sanderson kucala Zulu enduna yami kule game mina lengihleli phansi sakubuka nema analyst esibesibukela nawo igame nduna yami laphana licembu maliphakama so kuba netikhala lapho ke it is as if le defense ayifunzi lokushifta kahle and knowing as to how to cover le defense ukuthi lona uma shift up how do we cover that space, who's responsible for covering that. The principles of defending is so simply what is lacking within the team. Uma bengakubuthi ni advise kanjani le defense ya coach Behanovic ukuthi coach lungisa sona phela nyala
coach sticker to the defense yakho level ngisho the most dlala together sengiyathi uthi okay mina limpo maka hambile ngiyamkhavela mina mangihambile uyangikhavela manje makuthi sasa bafaka wena bafaka lo munye obvious mina ngisengamadi ukuthi yena makahambile mina utonkhavela njani yabo that's why utobona ngathi bashake abakhona ikhavana kahle so akabisele le defense yakhe ya Macbeth na Sanderson abisele le thenye nalo ngalawo imalo mtawu abambe le back four net so na afake itira lapha obvious labantu bakhona kubadana since season yonke vele ngisho siyathi ukuthi vele kwamba kwandamane kusibulele kwamba kwandamane kusibulele because lapha ngathi ukuthi i-defense bese ayisekho nje kani bangadlali yedwa na indamane badlala nabo labantu laba just indlela bekumele coach akhona kumele replace nomuntu lo akhona ku-align nalabo labakhona so coach kumele nje aqinise kakhulu nala kule defense kumele aqinise kakhulu la kule defense otherwise kubi
enduna yami kunaleli ngifuna ukukubuta yona nami lengibutwa ngiyo balandzeli be-TS Galaxy nabo balandzeli bebhola ngile midfield lapha emkhathini le midfield lapha emkhathini the way kwenteka ngayo sicale ngaMphomvelasi last season key figure TS Galaxy Mbujane key figure TS Galaxy Sitha kuMaduna key figure labantu labo they are the three pillars which have formed and also kept shape the fundamentals of TS Galaxy ensuring ukuthi noma TS Galaxy i-change bese wathi lo mkhathi ukuthi awunjinji lo mara le season le i-game time yabo bonke boyi-3 ayisafani nala season or lama season ladlulele naloko kungako yinto lesingahle siyibuke ukuthi kumthelela or kungimiphumela la iTS Galaxy ithola ihleli khona etafuleni namuhla
no singasho kona ukuthi cause angisho ngibona ngazi ukuthi nabo sebayehlisile mara usually mabayehlisa kuvama ukuthi behlise bayi-3 si-3 angisho sidlala la kumele at least makwehlise le 1 ufune a perfect replacement ukuthi mangifake yena kufanele ukuthi ngilo angeke baze behle boyi-3 so makwehle munye wangamkhiphi wena nalabanye bangasho le shape bavama kubamba i-shape so So if lolo la ila center anga supply vele akuhlangana. So ngithi coach akazame kubuka le replacement. Era ukhipha Mbunjana, kumbe ukhipha Maduna, kumbe Mvelase. Lo yi-1 wakho. Ukhona ukuthola i-suitable replacement. Era kumbe uyofaka Mgaka, kumbe uyofaka lentwana nalena bathi Dlamini. Ya Dlamini. Ya ufake yena kusenalapha phambili hey. Yazi Ndonga ngiyakhala ngithi nalentwana kufuna bova icalisa le ngwenye. Ya iyalwa lentwana ya iyalwa lentwana
Spirit is high kakhulu.
so ibona isa hungry futhi ilambile ngiyo le game iyayidzinga i-game time
Sure.
ya iyayidzinga i-game time kakhulu so mara hayi khona tolunga
Nduna yami sengikwakela uhamba nyalo nduna yami uyibona iphelela kuphi tukwe log standing ilicembu lalo la ekhaya i-TS Galaxy.
no i-TS Galaxy ngibeka la kuboma 10-11 cause hey sekulate nyalo sekulate kakhulu ma team wonke sekuyaliwa yabona nje nale ya Sunday ngiyathi uthi hey yoba kudzabukali bro cause nation nemagesi nayilwela iyasaba elizeni nathi silwela ukuthi singalo so hey kudobekiliwa kakhulu mara hey kona at least simane siphushe sithole number 10 so cause I top 8 vela angisayiba
Sengingabala.
sengingabada bafu
Thank you nduna yami.
sekulate hayi siyabonga bafu.